Now, as a follow-on to that report, the biggest tech companies in the United States have shared a combined $3 trillion in terms of their collective market caps in the space of just over a year. Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft are some of the worst affected, as a series of disappointing earnings reports have failed to excite investors, and in some cases even making investors sell up completely and just walk away. Eun-jin reports.
Investors are reacting quickly to the latest third-quarter reports, especially regarding big tech stocks. 7 big-name tech companies, Alphabet, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Tesla, Netflix, and Apple, together lost a staggering $3 trillion of market cap value between October 2021 and October 2022. Last year, the good times rolled for these large-cap technology stocks with strong growth in 2021, but shocking as it seems, all good things eventually come to an end. 2022 brought war to Europe, global inflation, and skyrocketing interest rates, all factors impossible to ignore. Of the 7 big tech companies, Apple was the least affected, posting a loss of $34.69 billion, while Alphabet was the biggest loser, seeing almost $700 million wiped from the company's value. And while Elon Musk was busy finalizing his takeover of Twitter, Tesla's market cap dropped over $326 billion from a year ago. Meanwhile, Wall Street described Meta as a train wreck as investors bailed out en masse. The value of Facebook's parent company plunged by $700 billion after the release of its third-quarter report, and shares dipped below $100 for the first time in 6 years.
The earnings release from Meta was poor, and I think that's going to cycle through also with Google. And I think investors now are looking at the alternatives, dividend-paying stocks, companies that have good cash flows and higher quality, perhaps. And I think those are the type of companies that investors kind of want to hang out in while we get through this recession that everyone seems to be talking about. That seems to be coming pretty soon.
The holiday season waits in the fourth quarter, but early holiday marketing has so far done little to boost sales growth. Even the biggest tech companies are facing the realities of high inflation and receding consumer demand. With almost no hope of improvement for the fourth quarter, the industry is only hoping for smaller losses. Eun-jin, Arirang News.